हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर क्लासेस। आई एम डॉक्टर के मिश्रा। हम यहाँ पर यूजीसी एनटीए नेट पेपर फर्स्ट पर पीपल डेवलपमेंट एंड एनवायरनमेंट पर बात करें इन सीरीज। दिस इज पार्ट 9 नाइन्थ इनफैक्ट वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल ऑन दिस पीपल डेवलपमेंट एंड एनवायरनमेंट। अब हम क्वेश्चंस पर आते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स। व्हिच ऑफ द पेयर्स आर करेक्ट? So the correct option is C. Only 1, 2 and 4 are correct, where 1 is Asiatic lion, Gir National Park, 2 rhinoceros, Kaziranga National Park, and 4th lion-tailed macaque, Western Ghats. 2. Consider the following pollutants which are responsible for acid rains. Only 1 and 2, as we have been discussing, they are just oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. 3. Which among the following are advantageous for the captive breeding program for protection of wildlife fauna? So only 1 is correct. It eliminated the need to preserve critical habitats. 4th, consider the following. Which of the above are active at present? So 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is National Disaster Response Fund. 3. Universal Service Obligation Fund. 4th, National Investment Fund. And 5th, Backward Regions Grant Fund. They are correct and at present they are active. 5. Consider the following bacteria. So only 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Option B is correct. So here that is 2, Azotobacter. 3, Anabaenia and Nostoc. 4th, they are correct. 6. Consider the following. Which among the above are considered as pollutants in recently launched National Air Quality Index? 1, 2, 3. That is oxides of carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, ozone and lead. These are correct. They are pollutants. 7. Consider the statements about Paribase. That is, it is an environmental single window hub for environment, forest, wildlife and CRZ clearances. 2. It will bring an end to the clearance nightmare for entrepreneurs. Which one is true? So in fact both are true. 8. Which of the following observations are correct regarding the Nelapattu bird sanctuary sometimes seen in news? So 1, 2 and 3. Option D is correct. Where 1 is, it is considered one of the biggest habitat for pelicans. 2, it is located about 20 km north of the Pulicat Lake. 3, the barrier island of Sriharikota separates the Pulicat Lake. ये याद करने की जरूरत है. 9. Biodiversity supports the human existence in which of the following ways? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. In fact all. 1, by removing the pollution. 2, recycling the waste. 3, natural forest fires. 4th, by maintaining greenhouse effect. 10. The food chain in which microorganisms feed by decomposing the organic matter is called detritus food chain. Yes, याद करने की जरूरत है. This is detritus food chain where microorganisms feed by decomposing the organic matter. 11. Which of the following statements are correct regarding littoral and swamp forest of India? So only 1 and 2 are correct. 1 is they are found along the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the delta area of the Ganga and Brahmaputra in India. 2, they have roots that consist of soft tissue which helps the plant to breathe in water. 12. Which of the following statements are correct regarding tropical thorn forests? So only 1 and 3. 1 is tropical thorn forests are found in areas with black soil such as northwest, central and south India. 3. Spurge, caper and cactus are typical species of tropical thorn forests. 13. Which of the following statements are correct about the subalpine forest? So the two statements are given, none of them are correct, so correct option is D. 14. Bothricola, Persua, Cynodon, Dactylon, and Dictanthium analtem are found in which of the following climate zones? So moist subhumid zone. Moist subhumid zone. Correct option is B. Which of the following are visible above the ground only during the rainy season but have perennial underground stem? Correct option is B. Rain perennials. 16. Which of the following includes both microscopic plants like algae and animals like crustaceans and protozoans found in all aquatic ecosystems except certain swift moving waters? That is D. प्लैंकटन. प्लैंकटन एक तैरता हुआ नदियों या पानियों में पाया जाता है. प्लैंकटन अपर लेयर में. 17. Due to which of the following regions the Loktak Lake Manipur was included on the Monterex record in 1993? So both 1 and 2. An infestation of water hyacinth. 2. The construction of a hydroelectric power plant. 18. Which of the following are circular or semicircular reefs that arise from subsiding seafloor platforms? So correct option is C. Atolls. 19. Which of the following statements are correct regarding eutrophication? So 1 and 2. That is, eutrophication is a syndrome of ecosystem which occurs as a response to the addition of artificial or natural nutrients such as nitrates and phosphates through fertilizers, sewage, etc. that fertilize the aquatic ecosystem. So it is caused due to the leaching of phosphate or nitrate containing fertilizers from agricultural lands into lake or rivers. So correct option is C. 20. Which of the following statements are correct regarding bluefin tuna? Correct option is D. 1, 2 and 3. Its IUCN status endangered. 2. It is found in the coral triangle. And 3. There are 3 species of bluefin tuna: Atlantic, Pacific and Southern. 21. Which of the following statements are correct regarding West Australian underground orchid? So 1 and 2 both are correct. 1. Its scientific name is Rhynjanthilla gardneri. 2. The species is listed as vulnerable on the 1997 IUCN Red List of Threatened Plants. 22. Which of the following were the focus areas of Rio plus 20? So 1, 2 and 3. 1. That is building a green economy to achieve sustainable development and lift people out of poverty. 2. Improving international coordination for sustainable development. And 3. At Rio plus 20, more than $513 billion was pledged to build a sustainable future. 23. To address the underlying causes of biodiversity loss by mainstreaming biodiversity across government and society comes under which of the following goals of HE biodiversity targets? So that is A. Strategic goal A. 24. Which of the following statements are correct regarding CITES? Only 1 and 3. That is CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. 3. Currently 176 countries are parties to CITES. 25. To qualify as a hotspot, a region must meet which of the following criteria? Both 1 and 2, that is, the region must contain at least 1500 species of vascular plants, and 2, it has to have lost at least 70% of its original habitat. तभी ये कंसिडर किया जा सकता है एज ए हॉट स्पॉट. 26. Which of the following are the features of reptiles? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are cold blooded. 2. They have scales on their bodies. 3. They have dry skin. 4. They usually lay eggs. So correct option is D. 27. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of plant diversity? So correct option is D, 10th. Which of the following are the examples of saprophytic fungi? 1. Molds. 2. Mushrooms. Correct option is C. 29. Which of the following statements are correct regarding pteridophytes? So here 1 and 2, they have well differentiated plant bodies. 2, they neither produce flowers nor seeds. So correct option is C. 30. Which of the following statements are correct regarding hydrocarbons? So both 1 and 2 are correct. 1. The burning of fossil fuels is the main source of emission. 2. Kidney damage, hypertension and respiratory distress are some of the health effects. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आपको ये ज़रूर समझ में आया होगा, और अगर समझ में आया है तो आप इसको ज़रूर लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ नाइस टाइम. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.